Hi, we are the Smart Sisters, and today we are going to test water for hardness. Hard water is water that has minerals in it.
When water is hard, you can't make soap suds.
When you can't make soap suds, you can't wash your dishes or your hair.
Science.
Here's tap water, more tap water, and purified water.
In the middle jar, we're going to add a teaspoon of Epsom salt that contain magnesium. I'll show you how.
Outside. Okay.
Stir it around.
Next, we add dish soap into each jar.
Next, you screw the lids on. Then shake it up and see which one makes the most sense. I think the purified water.
Probably tap water.
The tap water made the most, I think. Yeah, it is the tap. Wow. We must have the freshest water, fresher than purified.
In our experiment, the tap water made the most suds. That made the least suds, the purified water.
You can try this at home, and in the comments below, please tell us what your results were. Please.
Thank you for watching. Oh, and hi, all you CC friends out there.
Please subscribe, would you?
Oh, come on.